Finally, new phone, after months of saving. This is Honor 7X. Let's unboxing it. You can find the phone itself in the box, obviously. Let's put it aside for a while. And you can also immediately see the SIM card tray ejector on the top corner. It's in the pretty neat location, I would say. Then you also can find these documents. One is about a warranty. And the other is a quick guide document for the phone. Also, Honor or Huawei provides these image stickers for whatever reason. You also can find a clear soft case for the phone. The head charger and the cable for charging the phone, and a headset also provided in the box. Now, let's look to the phone itself. Let's peel it up first. This is Honor 7X. It's not the new release smartphone on the market, but with the spec it has, you definitely still can trust it to do the job done. I'll discuss more about its spec and such in my next Honor 7X, my first impression in the year 2020 video. Stay tuned for it. I'm Kemi, thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a nice day.